Let's dive into one of the foundational concepts behind how language models, including large language models, LLMs, operate: the sequence-to-sequence model. When you're typing a message on your phone and it suggests the next word based on what you've already typed, that's a sequence-to-sequence model in action. This model predicts the next word in a sequence by considering the words that came before it. In this model, the sequence of input words is processed to generate a corresponding sequence of output words. This approach is particularly useful for tasks like translation, where the input might be a sentence in one language and the output is the translated sentence in another. The model is trained on vast amounts of text data, learning patterns and structures in the language, so it can predict what word is most likely to come next. This predictive capability is at the heart of many AI-powered text generation tools we use today, from autocorrect on our phones to complex conversational AI systems. While modern models have evolved to be much more sophisticated, the sequence-to-sequence model is a critical building block that laid the groundwork for today's advanced language models.